Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to get grandparent information in Salesforce record using Salesforce Lightning Web Component without using Apex. For example, here, this is a simple chat transcript record. I don't have any account name attached to it, but I have a contact attached to this chat transcript record. So from the chat transcript, I will get the contact, and from the contact, I will get the account name, and then I will be displaying it using my Lightning Web Component. So let's see how I was able to get this grandparent account name from this chat transcript records contacts account name. Just to display as a banner, I created this div in my HTML Lightning Web Component. I'm using SLDS notify alert, SLDS alert error, the standard SLDS class from Salesforce, to display the account name like this. In my Lightning Web Component JavaScript, I'm using uiRecordApi. In order to get the account name from the chat transcript contacts account name, I'm using at Salesforce schema live chat transcript dot contact dot account dot name. In SOQL, we use the dot notation to get the parent and grandparent level information. Similarly, in Lightning Web Component also, using dot notation, you can get the value. So this is the field I'm going to pass to my uiRecordApi getRecord method. So in the getRecord method, I am passing the record ID as the current chat transcript record ID, and for fields I am passing the account name, which is chat transcripts contacts account name. And using get field value, whenever the value is returned correctly, I'm assigning that account name from the get field value method to this account name variable, which is displayed on the HTML. So using dot notation, we can get the parent and grandparent level information, and with the help of uiRecordApi, getRecord and get field value methods, we will be able to get the information without using Apex and display it on the HTML. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Lightning Web Component code for reference. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.